I do want to know though, like, as you think about, your background in terms of how you have been in people management, and you've kind of seen this stuff and seen what helps make people successful. When you think about kind of where this industry is going and where you all are going with your business, what's really important to you when you think about kind of the leadership shadow and the role that leadership plays in laundry kind of going forward?
Well, I think as leaders, we have to remember that our employees are people. And we have to keep that in mind. Like, that is the top priority. They have lives, they have kids, they have families, they have
Hmm.
events that they need to go to. And we need to understand that. Like, yes, we need coverage. Yes, we're operating a business, but we still need to take that into consideration. And I think that, again, like, respect is kind of like a big thing, and it goes both ways. If you give your employees that respect and you let them know that, you're flexible in that way, and that
Hmm.
you'll find coverage, or you'll cover for them, or like, like, I don't have my employees ever work on holidays. Like, they don't work on holidays. I'm open, I'm making money, but they don't have to come in. If
Yeah.
anybody's going to go in on a holiday, it's going to be me. And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depending on the holiday, because I also have a personal life, right? And
Right. Right.
so
You are also a human. Yeah.
exactly. And so I think that's a top thing that we have to keep in mind, is that I think the need for work-life balance is greater than ever. I think people don't want to revolve their entire lives around work anymore. And I respect that. And so I try to make sure that I
Hmm.
bring that into like leadership. And I think as an industry, we all have to kind of keep that in mind, especially when we're operating in a environment where we're running 365 days a year, and potentially all day and all night. We are not 24 hours. We will never be 24 hours, but I know some laundromats are.
Yeah. I mean, our goal should not be to look at our labor pool as just another tool, right? It's not just
Right.
something that you're going to service through, and you're going to churn and burn through people, because that's just, well, number one, that's way more expensive, and so what are you doing? But number two, like, it doesn't build the thing that you set out to build when you got into this business, right?
Exactly.
If you got into this business because you were excited about it, you wanted to build something for yourself, you wanted to build something great, so why not do it all the way?
Right. Just dive in and help it. And yeah, I'm really big on that. And then I try to think of ways that I can do things for my employees that, like, just makes things easier for them. Like we talked about, the systems, the checklist. Like, they don't have to come in and think. If I have a mom with
Right.
kids,
Yeah.
she's not coming in, oh, did I do this? Just look at the checklist. You don't have to, just
Hmm.
make it easier for yourself, and just, like, decompress while you're cleaning and helping the customers.
Yeah.